Blah, 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 blah.
And preponderance of things come before. Oh, demiurge to a try at Avalon once more. And what a gust by your umber whiskey waters lends the prideful, sober sovereignty. A name that flows as roguishly as wild waters, fast and free. It's your true name. Mississippi.
I'm on that good cushion.
Ooh, Four got us down here.
Encore? No encore?
Please, no, that's plenty.
We're fine.
Should I add a dance? Extra stanzas? There's more of that.
Why don't you come down here and grab a shovel?
Alas, Miss Pepper, I was cursed with these spaghettios. So, I do what I can. I provide the I provide the ambiance. Babyface provides the muscle.
What?
Look at him digging his way to martyrdom, little goat-getter. Now, how about a little rhapsody in G minor for company?
Fine. If you're not gonna help us work, you're gonna have to double as the dirt rag.
Rocky? I wish my mom was here.
What? Blasphemy! That force of nature, she'd stop us dead.
I know.
Oh, Freckle. Don't tell me you aren't having a good time showing off your shoveling skills for hotsy-totsy over here.
Get the fuck out! I'll start the car.
Whiskey in the jar. Leave the headlamps off. Can't be too careful.
Right, we've been so discreet up until now.
Duration. Where's that spotlight when we need it, Miss Pepper? Now the spirits are afoot.
I got it.
No,
I got
that
it.
is my foot. That's not what I meant.
I can't see.
Ah, there it is. Stop it.
Let's not prolong this. This is a trifling matter. We have other business.
Where'd you learn to drive like that?
I didn't!
Didn't?
Learn to drive!
You're so bad at it, you've confounded the enemy. Nicely done. Now we need a performance from you, torpedo boy.
No.
Yes.
No.
Don't be modest. Yes, it's simple.
Okay,
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go!
Hold up. I swallowed the bug.
You got a big fat bad for dinner? What's that?
Just more glass. Profoundly unprofessional.
Imagination, Miss Pepper!
I can't steer! Do you think we're safe?
What the hell? I love.
It's still too hot. I don't even know if
You said there was a pistol in here somewhere?
There's always one wedged in the seat. Well, I guess that's a gun.
This is going to take longer if you scatter them.
What happened to you?
Want a break from the ads?
No.
5, 6.
Be gone!
Gather all around. See them rain their fire down. Head the clown with daring air. We'll make our 3 rings anywhere! Shit.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
We gotta skedaddle.
Ah, right, the difficult business of a business.
You could certainly be a...
Upstanding citizen, you know?
He said, bent over his illicit beverage.
Oh, thank goodness, I wasn't sure you were alive.
Zip!
Bum-ba-da-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum!
Hello.
We made it,
I
everyone!
got a
We
car!
made it!
About the carpet.
Surprised.
Rocky, sweetie, you are nothing if not an exhausting, incomprehensible surprise.
Thank you!
You